Greetings. Whee! Alright, folks. Yeah. Welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. We're making these giant planters. Probably the biggest planter I've ever welded. So this next series, I'll probably put you on time lapse and go through welding one of these. I think I'll skip the second one unless there's some incredible interest. Yeah, we got to pay the bills, and this is what we got happening. Let's bring you over here. So we're going to, obviously, those big flaps there. What happened was there's a shearing fee, and they charge for each shear. And they charge 20 bucks to put a 4x10 sheet on the shear. So to save on like 40 bucks, or I'm not sure how it was going to work out, but it was going to be more. I just had them shear one piece at 2.5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some 2'6" pieces of this steel tubing that's going to be part of the base anyway, and tack all this in square. Obviously that corner is going to be not like that, and I'm going to put this piece of metal in here, and then once it's tacked and everything looks pretty good, I'm going to put some wooden spacers across there to keep it 2'6", and obviously this corner over here is not going to be like that. This is just mocked up right now. You know, obviously we're going to have something better than a piece of rope and some clamps. Anyway, so we're going to cut some of this, put it on the ends, maybe just clamp a piece of wood in the middle for now. And then once those are in, we're going to take a zip disc and run it along here and cut that off, because this top piece is for the second one, which I'm standing on. And there's mesh that goes on the bottom that's already sheared. It's in the back of the truck. That'll be on the time lapse probably. Okay, so let's get busy, folks. You know, you can't always work on bikes, play around. You know, you gotta make money. Walk with a limp and weld like a pimp. Okay. That's so not PC. Okay, so yeah, let's start. We'll just cut this one stick, and then we'll probably put you on time lapse, and I'll put these videos together. It should be fairly entertaining. Keyword fairly. Okay, hope everyone's doing good out there. We got the heater running. This is a big job. I had to clear out all the bikes. That's life. When you play the fiddle all summer and work on bikes, you know, no, actually I had jobs, but I'm feeling a little bit guilty about working on bikes so much, but it makes me happy, and it makes the viewers happy, and maybe you guys want to see me doing some welding, so we'll see how this works out. Let's cut this stick real quick, and then I'll probably put you guys on time lapse, because there's going to be a lot going on here. Okay. You guys see what's going on? Okay. We got 2'6" and 1/8. .6 and 1/8. Okay, that's cutting. And we're gonna cut 2 of those. I should go ahead and just cut 3 and put 1 in the middle. But it's got to be an 1/8 inch down from the edge, because that's where the mesh is going. I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna build the bottom first with the mesh, and then 2 people or 3 people will have to tip it over on the bottom, and then I'll put the surrounding, there's a little lip that goes on the top, and I'll weld the seams. So it's so heavy and big, I gotta build it this way. I'm only one guy, and I'll have people come over when it's ready to flip. But you'll probably see that, and I think the rest of the videos are gonna be time-lapse. Maybe I'll do a video of me delivering it or something. And also, since it's 2.5 wide, I can only bring 1 in the truck at once, because there's no way I can stack them, and I don't want to scratch up the sides. The bed of the red truck will hold 4x8 sheets, but I would have to tip these on their side and scratch them up. And I think I'm going to actually need the room in here once one is made. So it's going to be dicey, and there's not a lot of room here. So I'm going to have to build this one, deliver it, then start on the next one. It should be quite interesting. You guys are going to love it. So yeah, here's this one piece. We'll go in like this. Yeah, this will work good. We're going to tack this in on the edge, an 1/8 inch down, and then we're going to zip it off with a zip disc. Yeah, 2.5 feet of 1/8 inch steel with a zip disc. I might be going to Lowe's to get some more zip discs. And you know, this whole thing about saving money on the shearing cost kind of biting me in the butt now. Okay, hey, if you haven't subscribed, you should. Leave a comment. You know, 81% of you are not subscribed, and I want this channel to get out to people. And a special shout out to my buddy in Africa, Damyo. He's trying to build a replica Ferrari with a stick welder and tubing, and you know, man, more props to him, man. If he can build a replica of Ferrari with a stick welder and basic hand tools, it's gonna be a while, but I'm really watching that channel. It's called Damyo Motorized. You guys should check it out. Okay, peace out, man. Think good thoughts. You're doing well, America.